2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.